Gerald and Wesley are on the loose. Listen carefully to the rhythm pattern for each letter. Write it on your paper. Then use the key to figure out where they have gone to next. Each pattern will play twice. Tika tika ta, ta, shh. Tika tika ta, ta, shh. Shh, tika ti ta. Shh, tika ti ta. Shh, tika 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 ta. Shh, tika 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 ta. Ta, ti tika 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 ta. Ta, ti tika 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 ta. Tika tika ta, ta, shh. Tika tika ta, ta, shh.